So hello everyone. Every Monday I will be posting different maths activity or different maths ideas what could parents do at home to help them. Either the child is homeschooled or just struggles with their homework, that would be different tips and ideas what could be done at home. So today we're going to be looking at formal subtraction. So I have a question: 572 subtract 82. So to help your child to subtract, it's good to start using place values. So hundreds, tens and ones. So we know that we need to place each number under the certain column. So 500 will go here. Will be that 70 and 2. And what am I subtracting? 82. So 82 has just 8 tenths. So 8 will be under the tens column. So the child will know how to line up, and 2 goes under the ones column. So that's straight away, quick and easy help how to line the numbers. Now we start subtraction. So we have 2, subtract from 2. If your child is struggling, they can use the fingers. They just have 2 fingers and they take away 2 fingers, 1, 2, nothing's left over. So that's going to be 0. Now, a lot of children, what they do, these two numbers, they try and swap them. So they would do 8 take away 7. This is a very, very common mistake, and a lot of children do that. So it's nothing to worry about. It's just that they try to find an easy and tweaky ways how to solve the question. So we just need to really focus and explain. We're looking at 7. Can I subtract 8 from the 7? No, because I haven't got enough. And what you could do, you can open up the 7 fingers. So I'm just trying to show you. And you can see, have I got enough fingers to take? It's just 7. Do I have an 8th finger to take away? No, we don't have it. So what I do, I go next door to the hundreds and knock, 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 knock. Can I borrow 100? So yes, you can. So I cross that out. You ended up having 400 and you borrow there. So to make it easier, you can say 17, we know is 170. For the children, it's easier, it might be to just say subtract from 17, take away 8. And if they struggle with that, you put 17 in your head, open 8 fingers and count backwards. And obviously, or you can do partition it, you take away 7 and 1 more from the 10. So it's going to be 9. And then what we have left off, we have nothing to subtract, so the 4 would go down. And that's it. We got the answer, 490. Now, if you want some other tips and other help with subtraction, please write in the comments and ask other little things what you don't know, and I will be happy to make a little video and explain how to do that. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.